Hey guys, it's Kendra. So welcome back to our channel, and today I wanted to share with you guys how I stretch my natural hair, because if you guys aren't familiar with our channel and my hair specifically, you probably don't know that my hair always shrinks up every time it air dries. And if you are a curly girl out there and your hair has a lot of shrinkage and you always want your hair to give like the effect that it's longer, obviously the length that it actually is versus like shrinking up giving you like 3 to 4 less inches of what your hair actually is, then this video is for you. You clicked on the right video, because I have had this problem for years, and it's actually a good problem to have, because if your hair has a lot of shrinkage, then that means your curls are really healthy and your natural hair is in really good condition. So that means you have healthy hair. But it's really annoying when people always think you cut your hair when you wear it curly. You're just like, it's literally how curls work. They spring up, they're bouncy. That's how, you know, natural hair works. But when you want like a longer look, this is a really good option for you guys. So it's really simple. I made it pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you guys my tips and tricks that I like to do when I stretch my curls. I don't always have to, depending on what kind of hair products I use, because some hair products weigh my hair down a little bit more than others. But sometimes I do have to stretch my hair if the product doesn't weigh my hair down, of course. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. I'm gonna quit rambling and we're gonna hop right into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna start out with freshly styled air dried hair, and I'm going to go in with some argan oil. And I'm going to start getting rid of the crunchy cast from the styling products that I use. I typically use a leave-in and a gel to style my hair. And usually when you use a styling gel, you always have some kind of crunchy cast, unless you use a soft drying styling product. But typically for me, my hair always has some kind of crunchy cast, so I always have to go in with an oil. So I'm going to do that first to soften my curls before I go in with my blow dryer, just because when the curls are softer, the hair stretches better, and you don't want your hair to be crunchy when you're going in it with heat, if that makes sense. It just goes better when my hair is already like softened with the argan oil. So I'm just going to do that. Also, my hair is usually about 85% air dried when I start going in to stretch my hair. So I don't always wait for it to be 100% dry, because for the air dry girlies, you know that it takes 365 days for your hair to air dry, especially if you have a lot of hair. But yeah, I never wait until it's completely dry. So I'm going to go in with my Dyson blow dryer and the concentration nozzle attachment. You can use whatever blow dryer you want. This is just the one that I like. And obviously the concentration nozzle for me is the key for this. And I always start at the top part of my hair, like the section that I'm working on, and then I will do the top to the mid shaft. I never ever do the ends, just because I don't want any excess heat on the ends of my hair. For obvious reasons, you don't want to damage your ends. Obviously, it's the oldest part of the hair. And the part that I want stretched is typically the roots, because that gives a better, longer look. And sometimes when you do the ends, it makes your hair look heat damaged or like straight, and we don't want that. We just want a more elongated look. So yes, we're going from roots to mid shafts, not the ends. And I also like to use kind of like a shaking motion as well. And as far as the setting that I have for my blow dryer is on, I think, medium setting and medium heat. So I don't have it on like the highest that it could go. It's more on the medium side, which is what I typically go for. And as you can see, it made a huge difference. And this is why I love stretching my hair, because it makes a huge difference in how my overall length looks. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, as you can see. And hopefully you guys get the gist of what I'm doing at this point. If you guys noticed by now, you notice that I did not do the top of my hair. I only do the bottom and the middle part, mainly because when I stretch the top, I don't really like the look that it gives. It looks flat and it looks heat damaged, and it takes away from the definition of my curls on the top. So I always skip the top part of my hair. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video. Let me know if you guys try out this technique on your own curls and let me know how it went. And thank you guys so much for watching.